Art and design. Art and design are fascinating subjects that permeate every aspect of our lives, often in ways we might not immediately notice. Let's delve into the world of art, examining its relevance, significance, and connection to design. Artists have used their skills to express themselves and comment on society for centuries. Vincent van Gogh, a post-impressionist painter, is widely recognized as one of the world's most famous artists. His works, like the Starry Night, convey emotional depth and a unique use of color and technique. Yet, Van Gogh was not appreciated during his lifetime, reflecting how society often struggles to accept avant-garde perspectives. Street art is one such avant-garde form that generates mixed feelings. For some, it's a vibrant expression of creativity that livens up urban landscapes. For others, it's an act of vandalism. However, street art, like the evocative murals of Banksy, often serves to question or challenge societal norms, a crucial function of art. Many people admire works of art not only in public spaces, but also within their homes. Images on walls can range from renowned masterpieces to personal photos. They help to create a particular atmosphere and express the homeowner's personality or taste. Sometimes, even a print of a favorite painting, such as Da Vinci's Mona Lisa, can make a space feel more personal and homely. Art themes have traditionally revolved around the human condition, nature, spirituality, and societal structures. These subjects intrigue artists due to their complexity and the array of emotions they can evoke. Their depiction in art can help us understand and relate to these themes better. Some pieces of art command astronomical prices, with buyers willing to spend millions. The value of art is subjective, and often tied to its cultural significance, rarity, and the prestige of the artist. Also, for some, acquiring such works is a status symbol, while for others, it's a deep appreciation for the piece. Visiting art galleries and exhibitions is a great way to explore different art forms. An encounter with a compelling piece can leave a lasting impression, making us reflect on its message or admire its beauty. An instance of such an encounter could be sitting in a gallery, engrossed in the gigantic paintings of Claude Monet's Water Lilies series. It's not just about the visual appeal but the feelings they evoke. Art, however, isn't only about painting or sculpture. It branches into areas like theater, ballet, and music, all of which can be popular forms of cultural expression in various countries. This brings us to the realm of design, which intersects with art but focuses more on functionality. Design in products or architecture is about solving problems while making things aesthetically pleasing. For instance, the sleek design of an Apple product, or the innovative architecture of Sydney Opera House, demonstrates a harmonious blend of form and function. Even fashion design walks the line between art and practicality. Designers like Alexander McQueen have shown that clothes can be both wearable and breathtakingly artistic. Encouraging children to create art helps to nurture their imagination and self-expression. It also builds their problem-solving skills, often helping them to see the world from different perspectives. Finally, let's not forget the struggles artists often face. Financial stability can be elusive, but the desire to express, challenge, and connect through their work drives many artists to persevere. In essence, they might be considered unusual, but perhaps this divergence from the mainstream is what allows them to produce such groundbreaking work. In conclusion, without art and design, our world would be devoid of the color, creativity, and critical discourse that make it such a rich tapestry of experiences.